Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily download any file from Google Drive to your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up App Store. Then just search for Google Drive. You can just type in Drive and then select Google Drive from suggested. And then you can easily find that app. You have to download and install it first. If you have already this app installed at your device, you can just skip this step. Then just open up Google Drive and log into your Google account to be able to get access to your files. Then you can just tap at Files right here, and first off you need to find a file that you want to download. It can be media file like music or video, it can be PDF file, Excel file. You can download any kind of file to your iPhone. So you can just scroll down until you find some file, or you can hit at Search in Drive to search by name. Once you find the file, you can hit right here at these three dots icon that shows you that options, but there you may not find the download option. That's because you need to hit right here where it says Open In. Just tap at Open In. Now it says preparing to export, and then just scroll down to expand it, and then just hit add save to files. If you don't see save to files option over here, you should tap at edit actions, and then just make sure that save to files option is enabled. After that, you can hit add save to files, then select the exact folder where you want to download this file. You can hit add back, then browse to select location first. It can be Google Drive or on my iPhone. That means that you will save this file directly to your device. I'm just gonna select on my iPhone, then downloads folder, and then you can just hit add save to save this file. Once you did that, you can hop out Drive app and open up Files app. Then get into folder where you have downloaded the file. I have stored it on my iPhone downloads folder, and then I can scroll down, and right here I can find the file that I have just downloaded, or you can hit right there at recents, and that will show you all your recent downloaded files, and those files are sorted by date from earliest to oldest. So you can right here find the recent downloads. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.